Okay, so in doing this one, you've got all this part set up. I just took a moment, I drew it all out. And so when we are finding the angle of elevation from the Rockefeller Center to the Empire State Building, here's Rockefeller Center, here's Empire State. I redrew the triangle here, or the situation here is the Empire State Building, the Rockefeller Center. The difference between these two heights is 61, and the distance, the horizontal distance between them is 310. So if I want the angle of elevation, I'm looking for alpha there. So that's going to be the tangent of alpha is equal to 61 over this. And so alpha, going into my calculator here, 61 divide 1310, gives me 2.67 degrees, 66404. There's alpha. Now, when I want to turn around and do the second part, right, and it wants the angle of depression from the One World Trade Center to the Empire State Building. Now I'm looking at this scenario here. And so if I take a look at that scenario here, again, I'm going to go, well, here is my terribly squiggly line. Let me try that again. Okay, so here is my One Trade Center, and it's 382.2. Here is the Empire State Building, which is 320, the Empire State Building. And so when I make my triangle here, I know the distance between them is 4,600. These are all right angles. And so I am looking for, it says, the angle of depression from the World Trade Center to the Empire State Building. That means I'm here. Angle of depression is defined as a horizontal down, beta, which is the same as this beta here. Those are the same angles. And so I know this is 4,600. I can find this difference here between the two, which is going to be 62.2. And so again, it's going to be tangent of beta is equal to 62.2 over 4,600. And so beta will be 62.2 divided by 4,600, which is a really, really small angle, 0.775 degrees. Okay, hope that helps.